Cleaning and sanitizing are not the same. Both are important to keeping kitchens clean and safe, but the differences are important. Cleaning uses soap and water to remove dirt and food from surfaces, while sanitizing uses chemical or heat to kill germs. Remember that surfaces that look clean may still have germs that you cannot see. Sanitizing reduces these germs to safer levels. Food contact surfaces should be washed, rinsed, and sanitized after each use to remove germs that can cause illness. Floors, walls, and other areas in the establishment should also be kept clean. Keeping equipment and kitchen clean will reduce food contamination and workplace accidents. Follow these steps to properly clean and sanitize. Be sure to wear gloves and any other appropriate personal protective equipment. First, wash the surface with soap and water. Don't forget to change the wash water often to reduce cross-contamination. Then, rinse with clean water. To sanitize the surface, use an approved chemical sanitizer, such as quaternary ammonium, iodine, or a chlorine solution. Household bleach is also an effective sanitizer as long as it's not expired. To make a bleach solution, take 5 tablespoons, 1/3 a cup of bleach per gallon of water, or 4 teaspoons of bleach per quart of water. Bleach solutions are effective for up to 24 hours. Alcohol solutions with at least 70% alcohol may also be used. Whichever solution you use, be sure to follow the label's instructions and apply the solution to the surface for the appropriate length of time. Never add soap to sanitizers. You can use test strips to make sure the sanitizer is not too strong or too weak. Change the sanitizing solution often because grease, dirt, and food particles make the sanitizer less effective. Wash and rinse dirty wiping cloths before putting them back into the sanitizer, and then store them in clean sanitizer. Prevent cross-contamination by always using a different wiping cloth when cleaning up after raw meat. Lastly, be sure to let the surface air dry. Do not contaminate it by wiping it down. Once you're done, remove your gloves and wash your hands. Cleaning kitchen machinery is part of preventing cross-contamination. Follow these steps for your safety as well as the safety of your customers whenever you are cleaning equipment. First, unplug equipment. Make sure hands are dry first. Disassemble. Wash removable parts in dish machines or 3-compartment sink. Wash and rinse stationary parts. Sanitize food contact surfaces with sanitizer. Air dry before reassembling without touching food contact surfaces. Wash, rinse, and sanitize also applies to proper dishwashing. Whether your kitchen has a 3-compartment sink or commercial dishwasher, you must make sure your dishware has been properly sanitized. When cleaning and sanitizing, clean in-place equipment that cannot be disassembled, such as ice machines. Special care must be taken to ensure cleaning and sanitizing solutions circulate through and contact all fixed interior food contact surfaces. The system is self-draining or capable of being completely drained of cleaning and sanitizing solutions. Units which cannot be disassembled for cleaning must have access points to allow for inspection and to ensure that all interior food contact surfaces are effectively cleaned.